Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Whitey in Tennessee on this new Galaxy DX2547. Whitey, got it ready to go for you, bud. Wide angle, bright white LED here. Did the clarifier mod. Did some of our audio mods as well as the tune alignment. Let's get right to it. Our power all the way down. 25 watt slug. Got you at a half a watt all the way down. 5 watts all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Low 14 bird out of the little single IR 520. 50 watt slug in PEP. Hello. About 32 peak. Whitey, this will make you a dandy of a radio. They're clean and mean, great on sideband and AM, and will work out great with a little amplifier. Hope you enjoy. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.